This video is sponsored by Autolite, manufacturers of high-quality spark plugs since 1935. Visit Autolite.com for more information.
For an engine to run properly, you have to have two things: spark and fuel. And they have to come into the combustion chamber at the right time. If they're either off time or not in the right proportion, well, you're going to get what's known as a misfire. When that misfire happens, well, the crankshaft slows down at a point where it's not expected to, and the ECM picks up on this. If you get a vehicle in your shop that is running a little rough and has misfire codes, make sure you're diagnosing the engine fully. Because just replacing the spark plugs and seeing what's going to happen to the engine if it cures the problem, it never works. You need to make sure what's going on inside the combustion chamber is correct for the vehicle. In other words, you need to do a relative cranking compression test or just a regular compression test. If you suspect something else, you need to do a leak down check, because a spark plug or a brand new fuel injector will not solve a bent valve, camshaft timing that's off, or other issues inside the engine like carbon deposits. So as part of a diagnostic process in your shop, make sure that you understand why you're replacing a spark plug. Is it worn out? Is it past the interval? Is there other issues reading the spark plug that you see with your naked eye that may cause that misfire? Well, then replace it. But make sure you're diagnosing the vehicle fully before returning it to the customer or going down another diagnostic path. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.